Okay, so we adding new hadith. The the hadith is there. See, page is there. Page is there, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So is this? You say ibarat and I will translate it. Fine. Yeah. So it is easy because signs are there. The Arab are also there. The signs are also there. Ittaqun nara
اتقوا النار
walau
ولو بشق تمرة.
tamratin. Right. So
اتقوا النار
ittaqu.
ولو بشق التمرة.
Yeah, Bishop. Ittaqu means ittaqu, do taqwa. Taqwa. Ittaqu is actually order, it's command. And the root word is taqwa. Taqwa means fear or avoiding. Avoiding, but it's a avoiding in a way, not simple avoiding. Yeah, it has some explanation. Taqwa, what way to avoid or to fear. Nara, like Allah's fear.
Okay,
Ittaqu nara.
I think I'm ready.
Oh, you memorize it
Yeah.
all of a sudden. Okay, then let's try. Let's see. Sorry.
اتقوا
Let's see.
النار ولو بشق التمرة. اتقوا
Yeah,
النار ولو بشق التمرة.
correct. Tamratin, double sign, right? Tanween is there. So minimum 5 times you will say it, not 2 times. Minimum
اتقوا
5 times.
النار ولو بشق التمرة. اتقوا النار ولو بشق التمرة. اتقوا النار ولو بشق التمرة. اتقوا النار ولو بشق التمرة.
Correct. What is shake of tamar? The shake of tamar. Shake basically means split, and tamar is the date, the seed of date. Yeah. So
Dates,
shake
yeah.
and shake. Okay. Here, this is beautiful, by the way. I like this hadith. Wow comes for plural, fine. Sallu, it's command again, order, command, amr.
صلوا
Yeah,
كما رأيتموني أصلي. صلوا
right.
كما رأيتموني أصلي. Okay, I think I'm ready.
Oh, we just read it. Okay, minimum 5 times.
صلوا كما رأيتموني أصلي. صلوا كما رأيتموني أصلي. صلوا كما رأيتموني أصلي. صلوا كما رأيتموني أصلي.
Okay, so adding one more.
Okay.
Fine. Okay, okay, you can add one more if you want to. Then 3 here. Wow, this is again about which topic is the hadith this one? It's about prayer, about prayer.
Prayer.
Salah is prayer. Yeah, so the hadith is, let's see.
جعلت قرة عيني بالصلاة. جعلت قرة عيني بالصلاة. جعلت قرة عيني بالصلاة. I think I'm ready.
Right.
جعلت قرة عيني بالصلاة. جعلت قرة عيني بالصلاة. جعلت قرة عيني بالصلاة. جعلت قرة عيني بالصلاة. جعلت قرة عيني بالصلاة.
Correct. Best. Okay, you did clear this. Amazing. You did very instant and fastly. I mean, yeah, mashallah. And here is. By the way, you never act so small among the people. Why? Why not act? If you're like whoever is smart, I tell my all students because many, not many actually. Sometimes the students ask me, the kids ask me. So I tell them like you do not need to act smart among the people. Why? The reason is all people, they are not, in your favor. Some people they are against you. Fine. Every single person he has his followers, he has his lovers, and he has his like fans and haters both. There are people. All people are not same. All people are not same. People they like you. They're happy with your success, right? And with your abilities. People, there are people they hate you. There are people. It's for everyone, you know. So there are people who